Sudha.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. I am Sudha Megan, very happy to be with all of you today. Rozie AI is all about empowering brands to help deliver care to their organizations. And what we recognize is that in insurance, this is incredibly important, particularly as we approach the cusp of where insurance organizations are trying to evolve to be more than just the payer. When we look at the health space alone, over $17 billion is expended on medical readmissions. And 5% of that, just a drop, could be improved with better discharge instructions. Over 17% could be improved with better medical adherence of how people take their meds once they leave the hospital. And when we look at it from the perspective of individuals that are essentially in the cusp of administrative errors, essentially gaps in communication, it's an average cost of $13,000. So when we look at an individual, we focus on empowering brands to remember that person across all of their interactions in their care journey. So in 2012, I was working with a patient, a 17-year-old girl who came in with severe abdominal pain. Her tummy was hurting. She insisted that she needed pain medication. And she came into our family practice clinic, but the doctor that was seeing her was not her general primary care physician. And so they weren't aware of the fact that she had a disease called sickle cell, where blood cells clump together and cause severe pain crises. This resulted in a hospitalization that lasted about 2 weeks. Costs that could have been possibly ameliorated, pain that could have been addressed had there been better communication. So what we do is essentially enable individuals to reach out and ask questions about their care. Fundamentally, we empower brands to create an experience once. So instead of managing for, say, a health insurer or a life insurance organization, a group benefits group, to manage separate experiences that support individuals on web chat, Alexa, Google Home, their mobile app, you create an experience once, and it can port it onto multiple other channels. Then when an individual sends an email, follows up with a phone call, or even messages, they can continue that exact same conversation from one channel to another. All the while knowing their context, remembering their profile. And it's all about being able to anticipate their needs as well as being reactive in the engagement. So the reason we're able to do this is fundamentally we understand language at a semantic level, whether this is how people speak colloquially or how patient notes might be written, how articles or frequently asked questions might be documented today. And then we're able to apply the context and the profile of an individual and look at it from the perspective of what other events came before, all the while making sure that you're looking at delivering in-the-moment care as well as addressing their future needs. So in terms of conversational management, we were recently showcased with Capgemini, a consulting organization that showcased that with Rozie, you're able to deliver more human-like conversations where an individual can switch topics, pick up where they left off, all the while, again, being remembered in that conversation. We have a suite of solutions that can be delivered for insurance organizations today. Our customer connector enables companies to deliver conversations and deliver customer engagement wherever an individual wants to reach out to that brand. This could be everything from product consultation to brand awareness. Then from the perspective of policy administration, we recognize that over 1 million phone calls today into a health insurance company might be related to just understanding what is covered or what benefits are available. We look at policy administrator as a way to deliver this in a self-service and seamless manner, as well as providing the insights required for when an individual takes over. Our life coach provides financial planning, physical health, and mental health advisory to individuals, as well as a single point of contact between the individual, the service representative, and the company at a time of need. And knowledge management is all about making tacit and formal documents that might be within your organization easily accessible. We recognize that context is really how organizations need to evolve into operating, and we definitely believe that Rozie AI can partner with you to deliver on that comprehension. Thank you.